Once you have CaptureHandler set up, you can also use CaptureHandler directly programmatically to take a screenshot. The way you do that is once you've installed Gramex, of course, from Gramex.handlers import capture and initialize it by saying capture is equal to the capture class instantiated with an engine Chrome. There are several other parameters that you can pass to capture, but the engine is the most important. And if you have Node in your path, then the rest works automatically. You can pick any URL and then you can run capture.pdf or capture.png, and you have a capture.jpg as well that accepts the URL and all of the same parameters that you would pass in the screenshot service. So for example, if you wanted to specify a question mark file is equal to, or a delay is equal to, or a format is equal to, or a footer is equal to, the exact same parameters that you pass to the screenshot service can be passed to this function, and this will then return a binary string that you can save into any file as a binary string. So let's try that out. I'm going to run Python. Let's start Python, and that's the first step. From Gramex.handlers, let's import capture. Let's in fact make sure we can see this side by side. So we've imported capture. The next is to instantiate the capture instance. So let's do that. So now that's made it available. For the URL, I'm going to take the Wikipedia homepage and say this is the URL that we want to capture. Now, the result is coming into this variable. So let's say result is equal to this. Now that opens a Wikipedia page and gets the result. So if I say result, let's say the first 10 characters or so, then that is a binary string which starts with a PDF. So let me save that with open of screenshot.pdf as, write into it as a binary file as um, f.write of result. And okay, that's written a large number of bytes. So if I open this page up and see there is a screenshot.pdf, which if I open is exactly the Wikipedia page, homepage that we just created. So this allows us to take screenshots using the Gramex capture service from any page.